guys, welcome, and I'm going to be showing you how to create your own virtual learning classroom or your Bitmoji classroom. As you can see on my first slide is a welcome slide which has a classroom look and feel. On the second slide, I have all my online tools in one place so that my students will be able to have easier access to these resources. They simply click on the specific tool that they're using for a current or particular subject or topic. How cool is that to have everything under one roof? Students don't have to be searching around, browsing the net to try to log on, wasting time when we need to get through a lesson. So I'm going to be showing you how to create your own fun Bitmoji or virtual learning classroom using Google Slides. So we're going to go to Google Slides and we're going to start a new presentation. You're going to want to name your presentation, give it a name. So I'm going to use virtual classroom. Also, I need a blank template. So I'm going to go to this arrow, go down to blank, and I'm going to delete this one. Now I can create my classroom. First, you go to background, choose image, Google search, and I'm going to search for wall and wall and floor background. And now you have tons of ideas or backgrounds to choose from to suit your style, your taste, your liking. So I'm going to choose this one. Insert, done. And now you have your background. Now we are going to add some classroom touch to it. So I'm going to insert image, search web, and I'm going to search for whiteboard. And we want it to be transparent background. You can minimize it to suit your needs. I also need classroom furniture, but I am gonna choose a couch. You select the one that you like. I'm gonna choose this one for a reason. You're going to minimize it. And now you can change the color by tapping on it. Click Format Options, Recolor, and I'm gonna choose whichever color I think will suit my background. You can also type a message on your board using the text box, and you can type whatever you want. I'm gonna do welcome to first grade. You can also make the font larger. You can change the style of writing, whichever way you choose. I'm also now going to add my bit emoji. So we're going to go to bitmoji.com if you don't have it already downloaded to your device. Now you're going to want to download it using Google Play Store, and you're going to add your Bitmoji to Chrome. As soon as you have done that, you can pin it to your tabs. I've already downloaded mine, so you would see a character like this one if you have pinned it to your tab. So I'm now going to go ahead and click on mine, and I'm going to select my bit emoji. I'm going to type sitting because I want my bit emoji to be sitting. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to right click. So I'm going to right click to choose, press copy image, go back to my virtual classroom, and I'm going to paste it there. And as usual, we are going to fix it to suit there you go. I might need to add a bookshelf. So I'm going to go back to insert, search web, bookshelf. And you can choose one that suits you. I like this one, so let's go with that. And you fix it where you want it. So let's see. I want mine right there. Now I'm gonna add a story that I want my students to read. I already copied the picture of the book, so I'm gonna go to insert and upload from my computer this time. And I'm gonna search for the cover of the book. I'm going to minimize it to put on the top of my bookshelf for my students to access. There you go. You can make it a bit smaller. Now I want it to be interactive, so my students will be able to click on it and read it, listen to it being read. So I'm gonna go to YouTube where the book is, copy the link, go back to my presentation, and I'm gonna hyperlink it by highlighting the book. Go to insert, link, and I'm gonna paste my link here, apply, and now it's interactive. Students can simply tap on it to read along. I also want to add a beanbag chair to my reading corner. So I'm gonna go to insert image, search web, and I'm gonna find a beanbag chair. Because in our classrooms, we like to make the reading corner comfortable for students to read. I'm just gonna choose the first one that comes up, minimize it, but you can choose whichever one you like. And I also want to change the color to get a little brighter color, so I'm going to format this one, format options, recolor, and I'm going to choose a brighter color. There you go. And that's my Bitmoji classroom. You can add more features to your classroom. Thank you guys. I hope this was helpful for you. And you can also add more slides. You can duplicate this slide. So if you want to add something else on another slide, so say for example, you're doing reading, you'll do reading on this slide. Then you duplicate this one. And then you can go down here and change out the story to do some math or something.